Alright, YouTubers. Today is results day from my NVX surround fix do-it-yourself with the material foam from Michaels and the windshield adhesive sealant. The reason I use that is because it is absolutely, I think, the best stuff there is. It does all temperatures from below zero to 100 and whatever. It's pliable, it doesn't shatter, doesn't break, doesn't rip, doesn't tear. It's pretty much it's the shit. Here's the one I repaired. And remember, I put it on the inside of the surround, so you can see the little bit of the black sealant there, but throughout this whole surround is this green stuff here. It's like a foam, 1/8 inch thick. So results. I've tested this obviously already, and it fucking works, man. Another mad genius idea that I just came up with out of nowhere. As soon as I find my keys, we'll play it. Here's my keys. So, excuse me. Sorry I'm taking so long. I'll do this in editing, I guess. Alrighty. It works, guys. Once again, think outside the box once in a while. Thanks, guys. Subscribe, like, comment at the bottom.